And this is some breaking news that's coming in. It's an update about that incident. This was in Delhi, where a fire had broken out at a children's hospital. 6 newborns were killed in the fire that took place at a private baby center. And this baby center was located in East Delhi's Vivek Vihar. And this again took place yesterday itself. Fortunately, we do know that 12 newborns were rescued. 6, however, of the 12 rescued have been killed. 6 others are critical. That is the information that we're getting. In fact, the visuals you can see on your screens right now are of the aftermath after firefighting visuals took place. We're crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi to get us more on this. Sabyasachi, you know, when you have loss of life, especially when it comes to children, in this case, it's newborns who've lost their lives. Of course, it's a massive tragedy. What is the reason behind the blaze?
Well, see, as of now, the reason behind the flame is not certain, but from the sources, what we are picking is that it could be a burst in one of the oxygen cylinders here. Let me straight away show you the visuals out here. This is the baby care center where the fire took place, and right now we are getting the information that around 7 children so far have lost their life, and 5 of them are still critical. So as per the reports that we are getting from the sources is that one of the oxygen cylinder got burst, and that's how it caught fire. Now you can see the condition of the entire building, how it has been massively affected, and also the nearby residential area also has been massively affected by the fire. See, a fire call was made at around 11:32. At that particular time, around 16 fire tender teams have reached the spot. Along with the fire tender teams and the locals who were present out here, they rescued the children and they have sent them to a nearby hospital where 7 of them undergoing treatment have lost their life, and 5 of the children are still very critical. Now it is a matter of investigation, because if you can see this particular baby care center, which is located at Vivek Vihar in East Delhi here in the national capital, and how the ambulance also has been completely destroyed in the fire. So with this visuals, we can think about the intensity of the fire that has taken place out here. Now the matter is under investigation, whether the proper no objection certificate was taken from the fire brigade team or not. So these are the question of investigation. But what is unfortunate is that around 7 of the children have lost their life, 5 of them are still critical, and the entire area of Vivek Vihar are in a panic, because children have lost their life and they have been shifted to a nearby hospital here in East Delhi also. You can see from the visual that the entire building has been completely destroyed in fire, and from this we can think about the intensity of the fire that had taken place out here. Meanwhile, the fire brigade team reached the spot immediately. Around 16 fire tender teams had reached out here. A call was made at around 11:32 in the night, and the local people also had helped in the rescue. You can see a 2-wheeler vehicle also has been completely charred. It has been completely damaged. So from this we can think about the intensity of the fire that has taken place out here. Back to you.
You know, Sabyasachi, I know that this incident just occurred last night, and rescue operations and firefighting operations did just take place. So it might be difficult to get an answer on this next question, but do we know if there's any wider action which is being taken to ensure that this doesn't happen at any other private centers?
Well, see, as of now, the focus is on to save the children. Around 7 of them have lost their life. 5 of them are still critical. Now, the fire brigade team officially have not given any sort of statement. They have said that they are trying to find out the reason behind the fire. But from the sources, what we are picking is that one of the oxygen cylinder got burst, and that's how it caught fire. So this is a matter of investigation. The police also is looking into this matter right now as to find out who is the owner of this baby care center here in the national capital, and the further investigation is going to take place. As of now, no official statement has come in either from the fire brigade team or from the Delhi police regarding the investigation.